Number 219, if 7 cats kill 7 rats in 7 minutes, how many would be needed to kill 100 rats in 50 minutes? So pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 2, 7, 14, 15, and 20. So in solving this type of problem, so we will just use the formula for combined variation. So for combined variation, so the formula for this is work over man times time. So but in this problem, we will just modify the formula. So the general formula for this is work sub 1. So let's put subscript equals to work sub 2 over man sub 2 times time sub 2. So but in this problem, the given are cats, rats, and minutes. So let's modify the formula. The work here will be the rats because seven cats kill 7 rats. So the keyword is 7 cats kill 7 rats. Okay? So the work is the rats because the cats kill the rats. Okay? So that is the work will be rats. So let's just put R for rats. And then man will become 7 cats. So we substitute cats for the man. So we have C. So C sub 1 times time will be times T sub 1. Okay? So let's just use this formula and equate that to R sub 2, rat sub 2 over C sub 2 for cat and then times T sub 2. Okay, so let's summarize the given into a table. So let's just put C, R, T. Okay, cats, rats, and time. So for the first example, we have 7 cats kill 7 rats in 7 minutes. So all are 7. So let's just put 7, 7, 7. And then the other triple, we have how many would be needed to kill 100 rats. Okay, so 100 rats. So let's put 100 into the column for R. And then we have 50 minutes. So put that in the time column for T. So we have 50 and the missing is the number of cats. Okay? So let's just substitute this into our formula. So R sub for this, for the left side, so we have R sub 1 over C sub 1 times T sub 1. All the givens are 7. So let's just put 7 over 7 times 7 equals R sub 2 will be 100 over C sub 2. So that will be N. And then times T sub 2. So we have 50. Okay? So let's just simplify. 7 divided by 7, we can cancel this. 1, 7, cancel 1 over 7. So we have 1 over 7 equals, we can simplify this 100 divided by 50. That is equal to 2. So we have 2 over n. And then solve for n, we just cross multiply. 1 times n, so that is n, equals cross multiply. So we have 7 times 2 is equal to 14. So therefore, the correct answer is letter C. So 14 cats can kill 100 rats in 50 minutes. So follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subject. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items 'yon, yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking Messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.